What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is the 8th of September. It is Monday. We're going to take a look at Aerodrome Finance this morning. We'll drop over to Bitcoin. We'll check out some sentiment, different sentiment on CoinMarketCap, and we'll wrap this video up here. Well, we got some green again here. A little bit of green on Sunday, a little bit of green so far on this early Monday morning here in the cryptocurrency markets. Let's take a little closer look here at the charts for Aerodrome Finance. Looks like we have some support showing up Sunday, Monday. Support showing up at the $1.11. Yesterday's low was $1.11.072. Today's low is also $1.11. That is good to see. This might be our higher low that we're looking for. It's looking like the markets, a lot of markets have. Looking at XRP and Bitcoin, looks like they're getting ready to make a move higher here. They have been for the past day or so. It looks like they're getting ready, hopefully make a new higher high. So we have this move up here, topping out on the 6th, and it looks like maybe yesterday could be a higher low, and maybe we're getting ready to go retest this $1.22 area. That would be, that'd be great. That's what XRP is looking like. Again, we'll drop into Bitcoin. Whether it can continue its momentum and make a new, excuse me, higher high, well, we'll have to wait. Time will tell. Excuse me, I'm real dry here and trying to talk and not cough. So that's what we want to watch here over the next couple days or so, however long it takes, if it happens. We want to watch these highs here on the 5th of September, $1.24. If we can, so we had the move up. Let's just draw this out here for. That's not the greatest. Let's draw this out here on the charts, guys. Hopefully it's easier for you to see. We want to see a change in trend. So we have the move up. Maybe yesterday was the higher low, and that's what we want to see, a higher high. Taking out our most recent high, which is the 5th of September. We want to see that change in momentum back to the upside. For the bullish scenario here for Aerodrome. My overall take here on Aerodrome isn't necessarily bullish or bearish. It's pretty much flat right now, slightly bearish, but it's looking like markets are changing right now. So, if you're short or bearish, I think that could quickly change into a bullish scenario, especially if we change into breaking out into a higher high scenario. What's a higher high scenario? That's taking out our most recent high here from the 5th of September. I think that would change things quite bullish, at least for the short term, one day at a time, right? That would get us back up into this territory here, mid 120s. It can happen quick. So, not that you don't pay attention. I'm sure a lot of you pay attention to the markets all the time, but just keep an eye out on that. I think we could be ready to see something like that. So that's what I'm looking for here. We have support at the 111. If for some reason we break into a new lower low, our next level is 109 and then 107, and then 105 is our major low. We really don't want to see that taken out. Unless the markets reverse, I don't think we're going back down to 105, at least the way it looks at the moment. And if we break out higher, 120 and 122, and then 124 is our get us into a new high, change in trend to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. $1.39 is way up there. That's obviously above. That would be obviously a higher high, 139. So that's it. Not too much to talk about. Things are quiet here. Pretty much range bound for Aerodrome Finance. Let's drop over to Bitcoin BTC USD. Back up to the 111,902 area. Got to get above that. Got to get above 113. This is a bearish candle, but it looks like we're doing some work here to hopefully put that behind us. Again, we got to get above 111. We got to get above 113. And then we can start to get bullish here on Bitcoin. Potentially the same scenario playing out here. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high. Potentially in here a higher low. And then maybe we get the higher high. And that will give us a change in trend. Back to the upside, at least for the short term. One day at a time. Bitcoin dominance looks like we're just about flat here today. I haven't really seen that big break to the upside in Bitcoin dominance that we got some resistance here that we were looking for. But maybe it comes here if we start to rally. My guess would be it does. If Bitcoin goes into another rally here, my assumption would be the dominance would pick up. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Crypto Fear and Greed's at 42. Altcoin season is at 55. 53 yesterday, 48 and 33. 1 week and a month ago, 55. We're trending towards that 75 is what we're looking for. If you're looking for an alt season run. All right, guys, that's just about it here. We'll see what happens if this market's going to print a higher low and then start to rally. And we're going to watch the highs for a change in trend to the upside. Bitcoin, it has two levels to take care of. 111,902 and 113,481. That's what I'm watching for. Both of those get taken out. We're going to start to get our bullish hats on. Guys, all links down below. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. Of course, not financial advice. You guys have a great Monday.